और गिरीश दादा कहिड़ो हाल अथई? ॿियो जन्मदिन जी खोड़ खोड़ वाधायूं. I wish you all happiness in the world and keep dancing, keep enjoying. बाकी 13 को दारू पार्टी करेंगे. Bye.
Okay, Grishma, happy birthday to you. Mic नहीं है?
है पर स्लो है.
Girish, a very very happy birthday to you. You will make us all very proud. You are one of the best dancers. Of many things. I don't know which one, but
All the counts that you have done.
yeah, but keep doing that's okay. It's part of the life, and we are there with you, so we'll keep supporting you on that. And we wish you. I wish that next year on your birthday, we wish you on the wedding stage. So yeah, all the best and keep rocking.
Wish you a very happy birthday.
Yes, I said that already.
You said that?
Yes, I said that.
Happy birthday, Girish! It's been a lovely time dancing with you. I had learned a lot from you, and I would really like to come back in India and settle down for some more time and learn a lot with you. And love you totally. Happy birthday once again. Wish you a very happy birthday from Ripu and Pillu, Abhilasha and Madhavi. And I've already said my bit.
Yeah, we have also spent so many times together, and you're one of my very good friends whom I can share anything and everything with.
And this has been recorded at a salsa party at Soho's after we just finished a dance together.
Yeah, and I've been told what to tell because I really don't know what to tell about you because I hardly know you. So still, wish you a very happy birthday. Bye.
Hey Girish, happy birthday. Well, it's your second birthday we will be spending together, I guess. I still remember last time we had a lot of fun at Kunal's place, the whole night party and all. I guess, that kind of symbolizes our time together, right? It's always been a party to be with you, to learn from you, to go on long rides with you. You've just been a great person. You've brought a lot of energy to our lives. Thanks for being such a great person. Continue to be that. And I wish you fulfill all of your dreams, all of your desires in the coming years. Happy birthday once again.
Wish you a very very happy birthday. एक ज़माना था जब मैं वीडियो निकालती थी, एडिट करती थी, प्रेजेंटेशन बनाती थी. Now times have changed, but our relationship will never change. We have been through thick and thin. We have seen a lot of things together. We have traveled together, lived together, attended so many festivals, danced, rehearsals for so many years. We have slept. Sorry, we have not slept together. So this is something I will cherish always. And life without you is like it doesn't exist, because for me Girish will always be there, will always be around no matter what. Now that there is Naj and everything, and you're one of the pillars of the company. Why am I talking about company? Okay, may our friendship live forever and ever, and may we grow old together. I play with your kids, you play with my kids, and we keep reminding each other that once we were. And yeah, the best thing about this is, even after so many years, you are still my dance partner, and I hope that we do many more rehearsals. I lose a lot of weight so you can do more lifts and tricks with me, and I hope we have the dream performance coming on stage one day, which we have never performed together. Wish you a very happy birthday, and I hope we go to Goa in your birthday weekend, because the rest everything is very lame. Let's go to Goa, let's get drunk, and yeah, that's it. And wish you a very happy birthday once again. And I'm waiting to see you get married, because I should not be the only one suffering.
Hi Girish, buddy. The first and foremost thing I would like to say is happy birthday. And you're an awesome guy, yaar. Trust me, you are an awesome guy. And we recollect all our IDFA memories, as well as the starting classes when we all started. You're the man who taught me, and here I am trying to somewhere reach where you are. And thank you so much for that. And we rock.
Hi Girish, first of all happy birthday to you, very warm welcome to you, and
thank you because since I joined the Naach, you were my first instructor, and since then it has been long time, and then it has been very great being with you and being instructor with you. So you're an awesome person and keep rocking.
Girish is a guy who's a gem of a person, amazing dancer and fabulous gentleman on the floor. And as far as I know, he's the only guy I know who can empty this whole bar in a go. In a go. Amazing timer. And wish you many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday.
Oh, I didn't finish yet. I love you, Girish.
Happy birthday.
I wish you many happy returns of the day.
Hey Girish, I wish you a very happy
Yeah,
birthday, man.
complete.
And keep dancing, keep rocking. We all love you very much.
Keep dancing.
Hey, hi Girish. Remember this place? This is Malika, please. Wishing a happy birthday from all three of us. Malika, Ritesh.
Hey Girish, wish you a very happy birthday. I think I owe you a lot in life, and whatever little bit I know how to dance, it's because of you. I still remember the Naach studio out here, the first time that we came, and you were wearing a kurta, and we were supposed to do salsa. I was wondering how would we do it if this guy is wearing a kurta, but it's been a great journey from then on, and thank you so much for everything, man. I think we all really owe it to you. Wish you a very happy birthday and many, many more to come, and be the same great person that you are. All the best. Happy birthday.
Hey Girish, happy birthday. Well, it's your second birthday we will be spending together, I guess. I still remember last time we had a lot of fun at Kunal's place, the whole night party and all. I guess, that kind of symbolizes our time together, right? It's always been a party to be with you, to learn from you, to go on long rides with you. You've just been a great person. You've brought a lot of energy to our lives. Thanks for being such a great person. Continue to be that. And I wish you fulfill all of your dreams, all of your desires in the coming years. Happy birthday once again.